Good morning. Let us have a glimpse on flowering of regional culture. Culture, the definition is the ideas, customs, and social behavior of people or a particular society. There are different aspects or factors that make culture. One is architecture. Architecture as a whole is not one. It is divided into different headings. One is religious architecture or religious building. They are temples, gurudwara, mosque, church. Some important architectural examples are Sun Temple at Konark, Jagannath Temple Puri, Kamakya Temple Guwahati, Lotus Temple Delhi. This is an example for Rajarajeshwara Temple built by Rajaraja Chola in Tamil Nadu. Mausoleum, the building built on the burial site of a Muslim ruler. Humayun's tomb, Delhi. Akbar's tomb, Sikandra. Taj Mahal, Agra. Fort, so many forts are there. One is Delhi Red Fort, Agra Fort, then Gwalior Fort, then Bekal Fort in Kerala. So many dynasties contributed palaces. The important dynasties that constructed beautiful palaces in India are Mauryas at Pataliputra. Mughals built palaces at different places like Agra, Delhi, Fatehpur Sikri. Rajputs at Jaipur, Jodhpur, Udaipur. Chalukyas, especially Pulikeshin II at Aihole. Nizam of Hyderabad, Palas at Murshidabad. Now Cheras, Mahodevpuram. Mysore Palace, beautiful one, example for a palace. Temples of Bengal. What are the important features? They were built on square platform. Interior walls were not at all decorated, but outer walls are beautifully decorated, showing the stories from Ramayana and Mahabharata. Temples had two-roofed or four-roofed structures. So this is an example for two-roofed. Here one roof is opposite another roof. This is example for four-roofed. Here one roof is opposite another roof, and here third one is opposite is fourth one. Square platform, this is square. Outer walls are beautifully decorated. Double story as well as four-roofed. This is first story, then second story. Each story has four roofs. One second, and here one. It's opposite to this side. Same way on the top. Why did temples built in Bengal in the medieval period? Main reason to show the power and the wealth of the rulers, and to express devotion to God, and to have high status in the society. Then other than building, second category coming under culture is language and literature. It is divided into two. One is classical languages. Sanskrit and Tamil are the two classical languages of India. Other languages, regional languages, developed from either Sanskrit or from Tamil. Important regional or vernacular languages of India are Assamese, Bengali, Gujarati, Manipuri, Marathi, Malayalam, etc. Then literature, other than language, then literature. Literature based on religion, Vedas, Puranas, Upanishads, Ramayana, Mahabharata, Ramacharit, Manas. Then non-religious, called secular, Kalhanas Rajadarangani, Babarnama of Babar, Akbarnama of Abul Faisal. Then foreigners came to India and they wrote about some rulers, like Ibn Battuta wrote about Muhammad bin Tughlaq. A foreigner, he wrote about Mughal rulers. Then Manipravalam, other than these three, means other than religious, non-religious, and foreign accounts. Then fourth one is Manipravalam. It is a mixture of Sanskrit with one regional languages of India, especially Sanskrit with Malayalam, that is called Manipravalam. One book called Leela Tilakam is written in Manipravalam. Then another category is dance. Classical dances, it requires a lot of training and practice. Important classical dances are Kathak, Bharatanatyam, Odissi, Manipuri. All classical dances developed in temples in the medieval period. Then classical dances, some examples. Let us have a look. One is Kuchipudi, this one. Kuchipudi is famous in Andhra Pradesh. And Bharatanatyam. It is of Tamil Nadu. Yes, Kuchipudi is famous in Andhra Pradesh and Bharatanatyam is popular in Tamil Nadu. Now, folk dances. These are performed on occasions like arrival of seasons, crop harvesting, childbirth, or wedding or festivals. Bihu, Nati, Gumar, etc. are some famous folk dances. Have a look on Bihu of Assam. Then music. It developed in the medieval period. Sufi saints and Bhakti saints contributed a lot for the development of music. And music became a part of life in the palaces. Amir Khusro, who lived in the court of Alauddin Khilji, he was a poet, he was a great musician. He invented sitar, tabla, dholak, and Qawwali Khayal was also his contribution. Akbar also patronized some musicians like Tansen, then Baba Ramdas, Baiju Bavara, Surdas were other famous musicians of the period. There are two types of music. One is Carnatic, another one is Hindustani music. Carnatic is based on Kriti. Most important musical instrument played along with the Carnatic music is violin. Hindustani is raga based. Sitar is the most important musical instrument played along with Carnatics, along with Hindustani song. How Carnatic music is sung. Here, violin is played, most important musical instrument. Yes, it was sung by M.S. Subbulakshmi. Then minstrels, a player on the harp or any other musical instrument, they also sang different songs. They sung for the purpose of creating heroism in the young mind and to inspire others like you, early heroes, either like Prithviraj Chauhan or Rana Pratap Singh. Now, painting, next category coming under Indian culture. There are different schools of painting. One is Mughal school of painting. The theme is courtesan, battle, hunting, horse race. Second is Rajasthani painting. The important theme, subject matter, topic is courtesan, mythology, coronation, and nature. Important centers where Rajasthani paintings are popular at Mewar, Bundi, Jodhpur, Kota, and Kisanghat. And third school of painting in India is Pahari at Himachal Pradesh. Fourth one, Deccan School of Painting, developed during Pulication Second period. Theme, battle or war, courtesan. Now some questions based on your textbook. You may go through the question and also note down the answers in the slide. And this is for extra questions. This answer, for the answer, you go back to the slides. Right, first question, write a short note on Indian School of Painting. 4 schools are there and a brief description on that. Next is write a short note on Indian dance and music in different heading. Okay, thank you.